Welcome back to DerivNavigatorAcademy. Now in this video, I'll be showing you how you can set up and use the CandleMine version 2 bot, alright? So many of you are experiencing difficulties, especially the CandleMine version 2. You cannot find some particular settings, but in this video, you'll know everything about the bot, alright? So the first thing is open the Deriv website, alright? After doing that, just head over to the Deriv Trader app, alright? Click on Deriv Trader. Okay, after clicking on Deriv Trader, come and select Deriv bot, all right? Because as you all know, binary bot was removed from the website. So just come and click Deriv bot, all right? After clicking on Deriv bot, you'll be directed to this page, okay? Now in this page, you are given options on how you can upload or use a bot. So you have My Computer, whereby you can select your bot from your computer folder. We have Google Drive, whereby you can upload your bot from your Google Drive folders. We have Bot Builder, whereby you can build a bot and use it. All right, now you can come and build it. Let me click on it. You can come and build a bot and use it for your own purpose. All right, and you have quick strategy. Okay, that is not that important because it's not that important for now. So let us upload our bot. All right, now I've saved my bot in my computer, so I'll just come and click on my computer, and then I'll come and click on select an XML file from your device. So I want to tell you that all Deriv bots should be in XML format, okay? So ensure whenever you receive a bot, make sure all the bots are in XML format, because that is the only way Deriv can process a bot, all right? Now just come and click on select an XML file. Now let us select our file from our folder. So I'll come and choose my file. So there is my CandleMine version 2. I'll click on it and click open. After clicking open, this is the preview of the bot. They are showing us how the bot will look when you upload it. So just come and click open. Okay, now after clicking open, now you're directed to this page, okay? Okay, guys, so there you can see the page, all right? Whereby we have the market, you have everything. Let me zoom in so that you can all see carefully, all right? Let me zoom in for you guys. Let me push it here. Yeah, now okay, now that's nice. Now, let me take you through every section. Now we have the market section, okay? Here is whereby you can choose which market you want to trade, all right? If you want to trade Forex, if you want to trade stock indices or commodities. So for us, we want to trade derived, all right? Because that is the only way you can access volatilities. Next, you can come and select which subsection of the market you want to trade, whether it's jump indices, step indices, Forex based, commodities basket, and so on. So for us, you want to trade continuous indices. Click on it, all right? The next section is volatility. Which volatility do you want to trade? Now let me come and select any volatility. Let me select volatility 10-1S, as you know, because that is the most preferable. Another thing, you scroll down, trade type, all right? So now let us click on trade type. We have all these trade types, all right? But the most preferable one is digits, because in digits trade type, that is where you can access matches and differs, even, odd, and over under, all right? So just make sure the trade type is digits. Make sure if you want to trade raise and fall, just come and select up and down, all right? But if you want to trade matches and differs, even, odd, or over under, select digits. So here you can come and select which one you want. So as for us, we want to trade, now we can do, let's do matches and differs, or over under. Let's do over under. And then contract type. Never trade with both contract type, because the bot will be making a decision on which trade to make, okay? So when you set both, you don't know if the bot will trade with over or under. So make sure you come and click on both and select over or under. So I'll select under, all right? Make sure the default candle interval is 1 minute, all right? Okay, so let me move down a bit. Okay, let me push the board up. Yeah, there it is. Now, okay, so we have just make sure you leave this as it is. Don't touch that. Don't touch that also. Now you have the print, all right? Now, in the print section, this is where the name of the bot is written. But if you want to customize it in any way, shape, or form, click on it and put your name. So you can say DerivNavigator, the name of our channel, all right? You can customize it to whatever name you want, okay? To whatever name of your preference, all right? There it is. You can customize it. The print section is basically what the bot will show you before you begin to run. What do I mean? So when I press run, there you see the name of our bot will appear. Okay. So basically that is what we mean by saying print. All right. So you can customize it to whatever name you want, or you can leave it as it is. All right. Now when you scroll down a bit, let me scroll down. You can see you have set stop loss. All right. Now put the amount of money you want the bot to stop at when you start experiencing losses. So basically, you're telling the bot, when I experience a loss of, let's say, $30, please stop running. Okay. Now profit. Set profit. What profit do you want? If you want a profit of $70, put it there. Initial amount. What amount do you want the bot to begin trading with? We want the bot to begin trading with $20. And what is the win amount? The win amount is the amount the bot will continue trading with when you experience wins. Let's say you do the first run and you experience a win. So the second run will be called the win amount because it is basically the amount the bot will utilize after you experience a win. Okay, I hope I'm not confused there. So let's make sure it is always the same as the initial amount. So put $20. Martingale. Now there are different martingales for different trade types. When you're trading over 0, under 9, and differs, always use a martingale of 11 so as to be able to recover your losses. Okay, I repeat, when you're trading over 0, under 9, and differs, use a martingale of 11. When you're trading even odd or the other over under trade types, make sure you use a martingale of 2 or 3, all right? Whichever you prefer, depending on the size of your account, all right? Now, let us scroll down, all right? Now, we have come here to the... Oh, so sorry. What is martingale for those who missed on the previous lessons? Martingale is basically the amount of times you want your stake to be multiplied after you experience a loss. Let's say you experience a loss of $1. What amount do you want the bot to... How many times do you want the bot to multiply your stake so as to be able to recover the $1, right? So if I put a martingale of 11, when I lose $1, the bot will use $11 in an effort to recover the $1, all right? If you're trading even odd and you put 2, whenever you lose $2, the bot will use $4 in order to recover the $2 you have lost. So that is basically martingale, okay? Martingale is basically a recovery, all right? So how many times do you want your stake to be multiplied so as to experience a win, okay? Now we come to the trade option sector. Now here we have duration ticks. Make sure the tick is always 1, all right? Ensure it is always 1. You don't want your bot to start lagging. Now, the stake, USD initial amount that you can leave, all right? Now, the prediction. Now, here's where many people usually are lost. Many people usually tell me they cannot find the prediction part in their bot. They are unable to set the, the prediction in their bots, all right? So basically, prediction is telling the bot what do you want to trade? Do you want to trade over 0, under 9? Which digit do I want to differ? Basically, prediction depends on the trade type you're using. Like as for us, we are trading differs. Okay, let me show you guys. There it is. You are trading. Okay, you are trading over under. Okay, so if you are trading under 9, we will come here to prediction. Now, if you are unable to put a digit, here is what to do. Just come and click on that and move it up, all right? And there it is. There is your prediction part where you can set your prediction. So come and set, let's say you want to trade under 9 or under 8. We'll come and click under 8, all right? And you are done. Imagine you are done. In this other area, leave it, okay? If your bot has this area, do not touch it. If your bot does not have this area, it is well and good, but never touch this area because this is basically the programming of the bot. So you as a trader, you should only focus on this area, all right? Now, once you are satisfied with your settings and you have confirmed and you are sure of everything you have set, just come and click on, let me reset, just come and click on run, all right? So there is the name of the bot. As I've said, this is customizable, all right? Come and click on run. And now wait for your bot to do its thing, okay? Mind you have not analyzed the market, all right? Now this is the bot just doing its thing. That is why we say, whenever you have a bot, ensure you have a good size in your account because you'll just be enjoying yourself trading with a bot. But if you trade with a bot and your account is minimal, you'll experience horror, all right? As you can see, there it is. We are being congratulated for achieving our target profit. As you can see, our set profit was $70, and once the bot has crossed that $70, it has stopped immediately because you had already set. All right, so that is basically how you trade using this bot. Okay, yeah, so guys, that is basically the CandleMine version 2 bot, and that is how you can easily utilize it. All right, so if you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, it will be highly appreciated. If you need the bot or any other bot, we usually offer traders more than 50 trading bots and 50 documents extremely affordably. Let me know. My WhatsApp number is in the description. hit me up so that I can give you the bot and start practicing and start trading. Okay. Thank you guys for watching and have a good trading day.